Yes, family, we are back. We are right back. And I want you all to be in. Our chicken has all been fried off here. And please make note, these chicken are not properly cooked. They are just half fried off. Even though they have this pretty brown color, they are not properly cooked to the core. Okay? So at this stage, we have our baked sauce ready right here. Consistency of it, this is how it must drop. We have our casserole here. You're going to need your mitten, this size. Maybe large, maybe taller, sorry, but not shorter. Okay, y'all? Now, we have our oven there being preheated, 175 degrees Celsius. If you're on the Fahrenheit, 350 or 345, thereabout. Okay. Now, we are going to proceed to grease our casserole. And I'm going to use some used chicken oil with some hand towel to grease my used casserole. My casserole. Some used chicken oil. Get right in, camera girl. I am in, camera girl. Get right in. And fam, I hope you're all in, family. We're on the road to doing a successful baked chicken. So you're going to grease your casserole. Generous greasing. And the chicken oil smells so nice. You don't have to use fresh oil or fresh whatever. You can use your used chicken oil. Okay, y'all? Now at this stage, you're going to pop your casserole inside your oven to be preheated before you lay your chicken. So we're going to pop our casserole right in there, probably about 45 seconds. Getting it all warmed up. That is to help the chicken not to stick. Okay, y'all? Now, while our casserole is being preheated, just a little kitchen tip for you. Get on the channel. The baked sauce is there. That's why I did not do it in depth here. It's on the channel. And a little, two little tips for you here. If you want to do, at this point with this chicken fried off here, if you want to do an oven baked barbecue chicken, all you gotta do when you go to the channel, substitute barbecue sauce, the barbecue sauce of your choice for the ketchup, and you have your perfect in oven baked barbecue chicken. Substitute the ketchup with barbecue sauce. That's one. That's a tip. Now, right here, if you look here, you realize that we have some water in the chicken. This is the chicken that have been browned off, come from the pot. Now, when you do your baked chicken like this, and you're going to proceed to put it to coat with your sauce and to put it on, you won't have these extra water inside the casserole cooking and bubbling inside the oven and all of that and mixing up with the baked sauce that so when all of that happens, when you don't have the water, you'll see the type of moist baked chicken that you have coming out holding to. Okay, we have got to be riding and whistling right here. Our casserole is supposed to be perfect. You need one of your mitten, your camera girl. Get yourself in line because this is like hot honey child. Now we have our greased casserole. We are going to proceed to start with our baked chicken, with dipping. So, let me get in. Are you in there? Are you in, camera girl? Family, are you all in? Now, let me get it right here. This is what your sauce looks like. Don't want the spoon going down. Okay. This is what your sauce looks like. So, you're going to proceed to start dipping. So, when you dip, you hold it so the excess will drain off. Okay, this is what you want. Now, when the chicken comes from the oven, it will be a little darker than this, okay? So you want your baked chicken sauce. It's your chicken, so you can use your hand, take it out. If you feel like you want to lick your finger, you lick your finger. Whose chicken is it? It's yours, y'all. So you set them neat and nice, and do not proceed. Please, do not proceed to pack them on top of each other. If you have more than this casserole can hold, please do so with a small, please to put the rest in another or do another batch or something. Do not stack them on top of each other, y'all. Don't. Okay? So you stack them. You can put everybody in a few pieces more. This is the extra water that I'm telling you. That would be in the casserole with the chicken, and then you start to having, instead of you having baking going on inside the oven, you start having boiling, oven boiled chicken. Lord have mercy. So we are in. Yes, and I tell you, I'm going to show you my casserole when I'm through. And please be reminded that these are not properly cooked. Even though they have that pretty brown color, they have not been properly cooked. So they're going to finish with that cooking inside the oven. Okay, y'all? So, yes. And we have one just little teeny piece or two little teeny pieces. So we have space here where we can put them in. Okay, y'all? I hope you're all in. I hope you're in, y'all. Okay. Now, they're down there. This is the excess water. If you did not brown it off, and more too, you'd get on top of all this, and then you would proceed to have a boiling casserole of chicken in the oven. Now, this is what it looks like. Wow, going into the oven, so that warm, I did not remember. So we are going to go right back in. 175 degrees Celsius, 350, 340 or 350 Fahrenheit. And we are going to proceed to leave it to bake uncovered for about 20 minutes. Okay, y'all? Righty. So we're going right in, and you're going right down there on the bottom shelf, nearer to the, down there, right in the middle. Not like this. Not, what is this? This is not vertically, but horizontally, that everybody is in. Okay, y'all? So 20 minutes from there, and when we come back, you'll see. Now, this is the excess baked chicken sauce that you have. Now, this sauce, what you can proceed to do, or what you proceed to do, is to set this in a small saucepan. Add a little water to it, not a lot, a little, maybe 2 tablespoons of boiling water on low flame, constantly stirring. Okay, y'all, for your excess sauce, your excess gravy. And then you can proceed to serve it out in a gravy bowl or something there for excess gravy. Okay, y'all? See you.